Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want you to consider a powerful idea. The most important tool for a chemical engineer in the next 5 years won't be a distillation column or a reactor, but an algorithm. This is not science fiction, it is new reality. As you can see here, we are witnessing a massive transformation from traditional manual plants of the past to the intelligent AI powered smart plant of the very near future. The key to this change is artificial intelligence. By 2030, AI will be at the heart of every major chemical plant, and in this video, we will explore exactly why. So, what do we actually mean when we say AI in the context of chemical engineering? Let's break down the core concept. It is a simple three-step flow. First, we have our sensors. Think of these as the plant's nerves. They are constantly collecting data on the key process variable: temperature, pressure, flow rate, and level. Next, all the data means millions of the data points every single hour or maybe single second is fed into the AI brain. This is where the magic happens. The AI processes this information and learns pattern and detect trends that are impossible for a human to see. Finally, based on this learning, the AI sends out commands for smart control. It makes intelligent optimized decision and adjustment to the plant automatically. The analogy is simple but powerful. The AI is the plant's brain and the sensor are the plant's nerves. This is the fundamental shift that is redefining our field. This all sound impressive, but what are the tangible results? Why is this transformation happening? It comes down to the three core benefits. First, optimization. An AI can analyze thousands of variables simultaneously to find the absolute perfect operating condition. The result? We can get significantly more product from the same amount of raw material. In some cases, a 5% increase in production. Second, AI systems are the master of predictive maintenance. By analyzing vibration and temperature data, they can predict when a critical piece of equipment is likely to fail before it happens. This allows us to prevent accidents and create a much safer working environment. And third, sustainability. This is a huge driver. AI can manage a plant center energy grid, finding efficiencies that can reduce energy consumption by as much as 50%. That's a massive win for the company's bottom line and for the plant. So, how do we as engineers actually make this happen? We do it by mastering a new generation of powerful tools. It starts with Python programming. Python has become the language of choice for data analysis and machine learning. We use it to write the script that collect, clean, and analyze the vast amount of the data coming from the plant's sensors. Next, we use the data to build digital twins. A digital twin is a real-time virtual replica of a physical plant. It allows us to simulate changes, test new processes, and train the AI in the completely safe virtual environment before deploying it in the real world. And finally, all of this powered by dedicated AI processing servers. These are high performance computers, often using powerful GPUs that run the complex neural network calculation required for real-time analysis and control. Mastering this tool, Python, digital twin, and AI processing is the key to becoming an engineer of the future. So, are you ready for the future? We have seen how AI is not just a buzzword, but a fundamental shift, creating safer, more efficient, and more sustainable chemical plants. The future of our field will be built on a foundation of smart sensors, AI control, and automatic optimization. If you are a student who wants to be at the top of the job market or a professional looking to future proof your career, then this is the journey for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification because our next video will be a hands-on tutorial, your first Python script for chemical engineering. Thank you for watching. Let's build the future together.